Can you please,
Let's go.
please keep it? Keep it all, people. Keep it all. This is absolute ridiculous.
2025년 10월 5일 미국 내슈빌 국제공항 탑승구에서 64세 백인 여성과 항공사 직원 사이에 몸싸움이 벌어졌다는 신고가 접수됐다. 공항 경찰은 즉시 현장으로 출동했다.
Hands on her like this. No,
Okay,
don't
okay,
like
okay,
this.
okay, okay,
like
okay,
this.
okay, let's get close to it.
That's how I put my hands on
Okay,
her.
let's stop that,
But
okay.
she's being a mongrel.
Okay, let's stop that.
Being a mongrel.
Yeah, information.
Like that. No, she.
Alright.
Do I look like a violent woman?
Let's slip away and let me get your story. So we're now all around, all right? Let's separate
Do
you
you know
guys.
what? This is a power-hungry little.
Okay, so let's start from the beginning. What happened? Start from very
I
fun
went
from
to
the
get on
beginning.
my flight.
Okay,
I've been here for a weekend.
okay,
My son lives here.
Okay.
I came here for a weekend
okay,
with women.
okay,
Yes, we drank.
okay,
We did.
okay.
We did music. We did.
You did the normal national thing.
We did the Nash Vegas shit.
Yeah,
Right?
okay, fair enough.
Okay.
You came here.
So I'm going home. My husband's waiting to pick me up at the other end.
Okay,
And this little goes, I'm not letting you on the plane. And I'm like, what?
tell
Why?
you why?
No,
No? Okay.
no. And I'm like, why? I mean, I'm fine.
Okay.
여성은 자신이 겪은 상황을 경찰관에게 계속 설명했고 공항 직원도 옆에서 상황을 설명할 차례를 기다리고 있었다.
And she's targeting me because I'm white. She's
Okay.
targeting me because I'm white.
Okay. So have you had anything drink today? Be honest.
Yes.
Okay. How much
Yes.
did you drink here?
Nothing.
Nothing here, but just in like Broadway.
I had, no.
Okay.
And I had like 3 glasses of wine at his house. He dropped me off here
Okay.
to go home. I mean, this is like really benign
Did
shit.
they tell you your flight was canceled or were you rebooked?
Neither.
Okay.
It's on. And I'm an A-list.
Okay. So
I'm an A-list person. So I went to get on,
Yeah.
and the guy goes, well, no.
okay.
Do
So
I
Southwest.
look like I am? I'm mad.
I get it. I get that.
But do I look like I'm super impaired?
I don't make
I
that
am
choice.
not. Just saying.
I don't make that choice. That's Southwest. Southwest is their own private company. They can deny boarding for any reason.
Because I'm a white woman.
Yeah.
I'm a
So-
white woman, and I'm going to sue them.
Okay. So, like I said, they can deny you for any boarding. We can get you rebooked. Where you flying?
Phoenix.
Phoenix?
My husband is waiting
Okay.
for me.
Okay. Okay, I get it.
I'm not
Okay,
trying to
stop
be a
hitting
problem.
me. Stop hitting me, okay?
Oh, this is what she
Stop
said.
touching me, okay? All right, let me try to help you out. We'll get this figured out, okay? And then we'll go from there, okay?
Thank you.
경찰관이 공항 직원의 이야기를 듣는 동안
This is so horrible. Horrible.
So, I heard her story. Let me hear your side of the
I
story.
just told this story.
I'm sorry.
Long story short,
Yeah, that's fine.
she was sick. I get a call from the office agent at a possible denied boarding or whatever. I go get her, tell her, let's step over here. As I'm getting her, she's already saying, like, no, she got to get on this flight. She A-list. I tell her she have the appearance of intoxication. She was like, I've been on the girl. I can smell it. Soon as she said, I'm getting jumped myself. And she was like, no, Dad. I was like, step over here. I'm telling her to step over here. She would not. That's when she keep doing me like this, like.
No, you saw what she did to me, basically.
Yeah,
right?
but no, she hit me.
She hit you,
My
okay.
hand was like that. She was like, yada da, or whatever the case may be. And I was like, man, you not flying. Don't put your hands on me.
Yeah, fair
or
enough.
whatever. And she was like, no, this or whatever. She get on the phone and she hit me with her phone. She like.
She hit you with your phone?
Yeah, like she on the phone, but she talking to her husband, I guess. And she like this. And she like moved me out the way with her body.
Yeah, you saw it?
Yeah, she kept doing it.
Okay.
They all down there can vouch for it, but she kept saying, you stupid.
We have it on camera
You know,
upstairs.
yeah. So,
Do you want to press charges? That's up to
What
you.
you think?
That's completely up to you.
That is
So
up
if
to
you want to
you.
crush it, that's fine. Obviously, she's not
We'll
going
help you out through the process.
No, she's not going to flush.
Okay.
We're going to refund everything.
Refund,
You don't
okay.
want to have any interactions between the two.
Sounds good.
What was the initial issue?
I am gonna sue Southwest.
그 사이 백인 여성은 다른 경찰관에게 억울함을 계속 호소하고 있었다.
Hey, this person. Do I look like I'm stumbling over drunk? No, I don't, do I? Do I
see you're
deserve...
clearly upset. I see you're clearly upset.
I'm f***ing mad.
Okay.
I'm so f***ing mad.
Keep our voice down, okay?
I can't tell you how mad I am.
Alright, well, let's just try to keep our voice down right now, okay?
But you know what?
I hear you.
This is cross-discrimination. I am being discriminated against as a white woman traveling. I touched her. I touched her like that. I mean, okay, I'm old. I do those things.
Okay.
No meanness.
What's your name? Explain to you what we're gonna do next, okay? Let's try to get you a hotel. We need to get a hotel or something.
I don't need a hotel.
Or you're gonna have to find a hotel or somewhere to go.
So you're gonna let them throw me off this flight, even though I am completely sober.
Okay,
You're
so let me
gonna
explain.
Let them throw me off.
It's a privilege to fly, not a right, okay? So, if the airlines decide to deny you boarding, okay, so the airlines decide to deny you boarding, they will have to escort you off. You need to get a hotel, or an Uber to another hotel, or we gotta go.
Because I am a messy drunk, aren't I?
I'm not saying that, but
I mean, honestly, I'm asking you. She said I'm getting disrupted because I've been drinking.
okay. So
Do
like
I look
said,
like a messy drunk?
like I said?
No, I don't. Because I'm not.
What are we gonna do? Are you gonna get a hotel or not?
I am.
So you're gonna- Okay, so you're gonna have to get a hotel or somewhere off property, okay? Ma'am, stay with me. So, what are we gonna do?
I don't know what we're gonna do. I want on my f***ing flight.
Okay, so
I
that's not
want to go
happening.
home and
I hear
get
you.
in my bed.
I hear you, okay? No one wants you to get home more than us, okay? But
Really? Then what are you doing about that?
I don't work for the airlines.
Well, I think what you should do is say who's not exhibiting.
Okay, so this is what's gonna happen. Whether you're gonna get a hotel
No, I'm not.
or you're gonna go to jail. What would you rather do? I would rather you get a hotel and we'll get you escorted off property. I do not want to take you to jail, but I will.
Maybe
Listen,
what I'll do.
listen.
Maybe what I'll do is go stay with my friend who's.
Okay, ma'am.
Maybe that's what I didn't touch you. Don't
Your hands
touch
down already,
me.
okay?
Don't touch me. I didn't touch it. I'm furious.
Okay, ma'am. I've given you the option. I've mentioned it to you several times, okay? So, then put your phone down, okay?
No, I called my friend.
You're under arrest.
I
okay?
texted my friend.
Under arrest,
For
ma'am.
what?
10-15.
For
Ma'am.
what?
Take it back. Do not resist. Do not resist. Do not try to hit me.
Stop it! I did nothing. I did nothing. I looked at my phone. You guys are such relaxing assholes.
Okay?
Relax.
I'm
Not
not
resist.
gonna relax
Relax.
at all.
Relax.
I am not gonna relax.
Relax. Stop.
You're gonna hurt a 64-year-old woman.
I've given you
Good
options.
for f***ing you.
I want you. I've tried.
I said I'm gonna call my friend and go to their house.
All right.
Is what I said.
And I've given you several options, and I gave you
And
several
I
times. I
said
gave you,
I'm gonna go to their house.
and I told you several times, and you weren't listening. Okay. So we're at this point now.
You guys are making a big mistake. Can you please pick my watch up
Yes,
off the floor? And can you please don't lose it
It will be placed in your bag. That bag will be going with you to jail.
to jail?
Yes, correct. You are going to jail. Let's go.
Isn't that nice?
Hey, Cody,
You
where's your
really
car
want
at?
to jail?
Not what we want to do.
I want to go to my my friend's house. I don't want to go to a hotel. I want to go to my friend's
I've expressed
house.
it several times to you, okay? And you were not listening.
You're not listening to me.
Okay.
I said, I will go somewhere. I want to go to my friend's house. And that's what I was looking for on my phone because I said, shit's going nutty here.
Well, you're more than welcome to go to your friend's house after you get booked, okay?
What the hell's wrong with you people? I mean, honestly,
Very patient and calm with
you
okay?
haven't.
I have. I'm sorry.
I'm not trying to resist you. I'm not. I want you to test me.
You just try to hit my honesty, okay?
I tried to hit you when you handcuffed me. Because you know what? I really don't
Hey,
like.
Cody, where's your car? This one. We're walking.
Can you please,
Let's go.
please keep it? Keep it all, people. Keep it all. This is absolute
여성이 연행되자 현장에 있던 다른 승객들은 큰 박수를 보냈다. 오랜 시간 이어진 소란에 지쳐 있었기 때문으로 보였다.
Let's go. Do not pull away from me.
Don't
Go.
speak to me. You little quit. You know, you think you're young, man. You're not.
You're top front. Pulling me. Let's go.
You're not. Search me? Go ahead. I don't have a bra. I have underwear on. I don't have a bra. Go ahead. And
Sorry.
let go of
No,
my...
I will not. You want to get help you out here or?
You know, my daughter and her husband both went to the police academy.
Great. What part? What city?
Okay. And can you let go? You're hurting me.
Chances for that, okay?
I'm mad.
I hear you.
I'm mad.
I hear you.
That
I would
you're
be mad.
treating me so disrespectfully.
Just sit right there for us, please.
Oh, isn't that nice?
Okay, I'm gonna
I'm in.
buckle you in.
Yep.
All right.
You don't have a hobble just in case he decides to.
Yeah, we're fine. Try.
Oh. She's kicking the door. We're going to have a hobble. You have hobbles? Okay, hold up. All right, man, stick your feet out this way. If you kick me, you will catch another charge. Do you understand?
I'm not kicking anybody.
All right, so stick your feet out this way.
What is
Ma'am, I'm asking
wrong
nicely,
with you
nicely.
people?
I will
What
put
is
this
wrong
on
with
one way or another. Do you want to make it easy on yourself? Put your feet out this way for me.
Oh my God.
Thank you.
Well, twit. Okay, there you go.
Thank
Are
you. I
happy?
appreciate it.
Oh, isn't that nice?
Ma'am,
girl?
this is for your safety, okay?
It's not for my safety.
Well, we don't want you to get
Can
hurt
you put
kicking
my
the door.
shoe back on my foot, please.
We don't want you
No,
hurting
it needs
yourself,
to go
kicking
up
the
the
back
heel.
seat or anything like that, okay?
It needs to go up the heel. Does this make you all feel really powerful?
Absolutely not.
I hope so. I hope this makes you all feel powerful. And I'm sure your moms are all so proud. My daughter's a cop. This would make me so fucking proud.
Well, tell her thank you for her service, okay?
Yeah, you know what? I need to call my husband.
You'll call your husband in jail.
When are we going there?
If you do not kick me, if you not kick
I
me.
got out of it once. I'll get out of it again. Leave me alone.
What?
Leave me alone. Just take me wherever you're gonna take.
Ma'am, this is going on you because you keep spinning.
No.
Golden.
No.
Can you get on the other side and help me out?
하지만 발까지 결박된 뒤에도 여성은 계속 난동을 부렸고 결국 경찰은 안전하게 연행하기 위해 침뱉기 방지 후드까지 씌울 수밖에 없었다.
No. You got it.
No.
I got it.
Is that how to sister?
No, she tried to kick me.
Got out of everything you put me in. You dumb shit.
Well, good job. Call another charge.
Where do you want me to hook this?
If you wouldn't have slipped your cuffs, you would have gotten the more comfortable ones. So
I did it because I could.
okay, there you go.
And you know what? And I did nothing. I didn't try and escape. I didn't try and get out. I didn't try and hurt anybody.
Okay.
I just showed you I could.
Okay, well that's it is what it is.
Okay.
결국 이 여성은 단순 폭행, 소란 행위, 공공장소 만취, 체포 저항 혐의로 기소됐다. 이 가운데 3개 혐의는 검찰의 요청으로 기각됐고 남은 혐의에 대해서는 유죄 판결 없이 선고유예 처분이 내려졌다. 이 사건은 2026년 4월 21일 최종 종결됐다. 여러분은 이번 사건을 어떻게 생각하시나요? 댓글로 여러분의 의견을 남겨주세요. 영상이 도움이 되셨다면 좋아요와 구독도 부탁드립니다. 다음 영상에서 다시 찾아뵙겠습니다.